Welcome to your dream home, just in time for summer.
This 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in West Corona has everything you've been looking for. Vaulted ceilings, a 3-car garage, and a pool just in time for summer. And it's in immaculate move-in condition. Let's go take a look. Homes like this in West Corona don't last very long, especially when you've got access to all the top-rated schools, beautiful parks nearby, and easy access to the 15 and 91 freeways for commuting.
So if you're looking for the perfect place to start summer by the pool, this is it. Call us today to schedule your private showing.